there's only one disease. The judge said, what is it? I said, you already know. She said, try me. It was a woman, Ann Thelman. I said, Your Honor, when someone has sinusitis, what is obstructing the nasal passage? She said, mucus. And when another has bronchitis, what is obstructing the bronchial tubes? She said, mucus. And when another has pneumonia, what's covering the cells of the lungs? She said, mucus.
What if the stuffy nose, achy joints and constant fatigue many people blame on getting older are actually coming from something you eat every single day? Dr. Sebi believed mucus, thick, sticky buildup caused by processed foods, dairy and hybrid grains, is one of the biggest troublemakers behind inflammation and disease. And in the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how thousands have used his plant-powered approach to melt away inflammation, improve digestion, and boost energy naturally. Stay with this video until the end, because you'll also discover Dr. Sebi's secret weapon for pain-free joints well into old age. Let's dive in. The mucus problem. As people age, many notice their knees creaking, energy fading, and sinuses clogging, only to be told it's normal aging. But according to Dr. Sebi, these signs often point to excess mucus from foods like dairy, processed sugar, and hybrid grains. A simple test you can try: cut dairy for 2 weeks. Many people report clearer sinuses, reduced stiffness, and easier digestion within days. This is often the body signaling it needs a reset.
Animals produces milk for animal babies. Human beings, women, females, produces milk for human babies. But something happened to us that we elect to do just the opposite. Instead of us giving our babies the milk of a female human, we elect and chose to give our children the milk of an animal. I think that if we are to be scientific, intelligent, and lowest on the strata, to use our common sense, is there something wrong with that?
Who was Dr. Sebi? Dr. Sebi, real name Alfredo Bowman, was born in Honduras, grew up around herbal healing. He faced asthma, diabetes, obesity, and even schizophrenia early in life, until a Mexican herbalist introduced him to fasting and plant-based healing.
Born in Spanish Honduras in the year of 1933. I was born in a small village named Milanga. The boy grew up, never going to school, whether kindergarten, high school, grade school, or whatever. Became a merchant seaman. But by the time he became a merchant seaman, he was very deadly ill. He had diabetes. He had asthma from birth. He was impotent at 28. And at 30, he had diabetes, asthma, obesity, and insanity. And with the help of Mexican people, I was cured. I decided to enter the field of natural medicine.
He transformed his health dramatically, and his message became simple. God made herbs for healing, not chemicals.
In the book of Exodus and the book of Revelation, it says that the herbs are for the healing of the nation. Then as I go further into the history of medicine, this is what I found, that the great Hippocrates used herbs to cure disease, and that he cured every disease known to man. This man was curing every disease in Greece 365 years before Christ was even born.
When people replace processed foods with plant-based alternatives, they often experience steadier blood sugar, more mental clarity, and improved energy. If this philosophy resonates, consider subscribing. Natural, senior-friendly wellness tips are shared here weekly. The Alkaline Diet.
To see which are the alkali herbs. And I begin to see that burdock, yellow dock, also the elderberry. These are alkali plants. Also the Virginia snake root, that's alkali. One has to know the herbs that are alkali opposed to the herbs that are acid.
Here's a simple guide inspired by Dr. Sebi's alkaline food list that many seniors follow. Vegetables: arugula, kale, bell peppers, zucchini. Roasting them with olive oil makes them both healing and delicious. Fruits: apples, bananas, dates, Seville oranges, great for snacking and steady energy. Grains: quinoa and wild rice only. These digest easily and reduce bloating. Nuts and seeds: walnuts, hemp seeds, raw sesame. Perfect for brain health and reducing cravings. Oils: avocado and grapeseed. Many people find that avoiding canola helps reduce joint stiffness. Foods to avoid: meat, dairy, beans, lentils, seedless fruits, microwaved food. It may feel strict at first, but the body often responds quickly.
I remove from the man diet lactose, uric acid, and carbonic acid, milk, starches, and meat. By removing these things from his diet and then cleansing his cells, he began to see recovery in 24 hours.
Simple rules that make the lifestyle easier. Dr. Sebi emphasized a few basic principles. Drink 1 gallon of spring water daily. Avoid alcohol. Take herbs 1 hour before medications. Cook with spring water only. Avoid canned and seedless fruits. Even starting with just the water rule can help improve skin, digestion, and swelling. Herbs that help reduce mucus and inflammation.
If Jesus cured with herbs, Hippocrates cured with herbs, and God said the herbs, then what's up?
These 3 herbs form the foundation of Dr. Sebi's healing approach. Sea moss blend 1 tablespoon into a smoothie daily. Rich in iodine, potassium, and silica. Supports thyroid health and joint lubrication. Burdock root drink as a nighttime tea. Helps cleanse the blood and support the liver. Many notice clearer skin and reduced inflammation. Bladderwrack great in soups. Supports metabolism, digestion, and weight management. They are available in powders or capsules, very senior-friendly. The controversy. Dr. Sebi claimed to reverse conditions like AIDS, cancer, and blindness.
And now that another one comes, your brother and servant, Dr. Sebi, it is not so surprising that he's curing AIDS and sickle cell. You know something? Curing AIDS is easy. Curing sickle cell is like play for me. Diabetes, we cure 10 a month. Yet, there aren't any centers in Germany that is beset with diabetes. There aren't centers in the United States that cure diabetes. We cure diabetes. Now, what are we going to do now? I would like to hear the excuse. I would like for someone to take this particular entity to the leaders of America, and I would like to hear the excuse that they're going to give us for not supporting it.
These were bold claims, but in 1987, he was taken to court for practicing medicine without a license and was acquitted after patients testified he helped them.
You were charged in New York City with practicing medicine without a license. You were ultimately charged, indicted, and taken before the New York Supreme Court. And I would advise my viewers who might be questioning your authenticity that you won that case.
Mainstream medicine still demands controlled studies, which is understandable. The balanced approach. Continue seeing your doctor while integrating natural methods. Many people who follow his guidance report major improvements such as lower cholesterol, reduced inflammation, more energy, improved digestion. Even celebrities like Michael Jackson and Lisa Left Eye Lopes followed his teachings. As promised, here it is, the secret weapon, sea moss plus morning fasting. Drink sea moss water in the morning and delay eating until noon. This gives the digestive system a break, allowing mucus to clear and cells to repair. A form of gentle intermittent fasting. Start with 12 hours. Work towards 16 hours. Many seniors using this method experience steadier energy, sharper focus, reduced joint pain, better digestion. It's one of Dr. Sebi's most powerful daily habits. Your simple 3-step senior reset. Here's how to begin. Step 1. Remove mucus-forming foods, 14 days. Dairy, wheat, processed sugar. Step 2. Add alkaline foods every day. Kale, apples, quinoa, sea moss. Step 3. Add 1 herb. Start with sea moss, the easiest and most effective. No perfection needed, just consistency. And now, share in the comments, what's your biggest health hurdle right now? Let's heal together.
What I believe is to eat food that came out of the product of life itself. I don't care whether you're Chinese, Eskimo, Arab, or what. If you eat something natural, you're going to be healed.